Hello, we need to build protection from birds for everything, including brassicas and leafy greens. I've already built a walk-in cage and I'll be making a couple of simpler hoops with netting over them for shorter brassicas. These are simpler than the walk-in cage as they're basically hoops and a net thrown over them. These blue electric conduits were already here in the shed, but whoever cut them, they're all slightly different sizes, not by much. There's some more pieces which are shorter, but these three are more or less the same size. But this one is about 15 centimeters shorter than that one, and that one is 15 centimeters shorter than this one. So why they didn't cut it evenly, same size, I don't know, but they're more or less the same, so that's not going to be a problem, because these are going to go straight into the ground. I'm going to put poles in and then put these on top of that. I am using some really thick wire as metal poles to support the hoops. The metal poles are easy to push into the ground, and also they allow the hoops to be taller as they can be raised above the ground. Longest piece, shall take in shortest piece. I'm putting the shortest piece at this end and the next shortest in the middle and the tallest at the end. I can then adjust these to make sure that they are almost at the same level. It doesn't have to be too exact, as it only needs to support a lightweight net. This one goes in the middle, roughly about there. This wire's strong enough. Shorter of the two is much. Pieces at the end. There we go, the three hoops are in. Now what I need to do is sort the netting out, but that will be a job for tomorrow. I've netted the brassica cage. I had to sew two pieces of netting together because I couldn't find one that was wide enough to cover the hoops and the bed. I've put bamboo canes on either side and attached it to the bottom of the nets. The bamboo cane at the bottom is there to support the net and make it easy to lift the net. That pole is just right for holding the net above the ground, so I can get in there and I can just ram it into the ground. It holds the bamboo canes in place and I can get in and work, and then I can just drop it again back down. And obviously it's got caught because this is actually stopping that going all the way down, but yeah, I'm pleased with that. Well, that's the two beds sorted and ready for planting. I will put a net over the other bed after I've planted into it. In the next video we'll be taking a look at the final broad bean harvest. So goodbye for now and come back soon.